Episode 4, Saying Goodbye, Not Just Bye. When we start learning English, the word bye becomes our first and sometimes only way to say goodbye. But English, like every language, has many ways to say farewell depending on where you are, who you're talking to, and how you feel. Saying goodbye isn't just about leaving. It's about ending a moment with warmth, respect, and care. Let's explore some simple but powerful ways to say goodbye naturally. 1. The classic goodbyes. Bye is still the most common one. It's short, friendly, and safe in almost any situation. You can say it at work, at school, in a shop, or to a friend, but you can make it warmer by adding something small. Bye. Have a great day. Bye. See you soon. Bye. Take care. Each of these phrases adds a little kindness. That's how English speakers make even short goodbyes feel personal. 2. Saying goodbye to friends. With close friends, we often use casual, relaxed expressions. Some of the most common are, see you later, catch you later, talk to you soon, take care. You don't have to use full sentences. English allows you to sound natural with just 2 or 3 words. Imagine finishing a call with your friend. Okay, see you later. Yeah, talk soon. Bye. That's exactly how native speakers do it: quick, friendly, easy. 3. Saying goodbye in formal situations. Sometimes you need to be polite. For example, when leaving a meeting or ending a conversation with a teacher or a client, you can say, goodbye. Neutral and polite. Have a nice day. It was nice talking with you. I'll speak to you soon. These are calm and respectful ways to end a conversation without sounding cold. Example, thank you for your time. Of course. Have a great afternoon. Goodbye. Simple, warm, and professional. 4. When you'll see the person again, if you plan to meet again soon, you can make that part of your goodbye. Say, see you tomorrow. See you next week. Talk to you on Monday. This is friendly and shows connection. It also makes people feel that your relationship continues, that the goodbye isn't final. 5. Funny or playful goodbyes among friends. English speakers sometimes say fun or creative goodbyes, like later, bye-bye, see ya, casual see you, catch you later, alligator. Playful rhyme often answered with in a while, crocodile. These phrases make the goodbye feel light and friendly. You can use them with friends or family, but not in serious or formal contexts. 6. Emotional or heartfelt goodbye. Sometimes goodbye means more when you're leaving someone for a long time or saying farewell before a big change. In those moments, tone becomes more important than words. You might say, take care of yourself. I'll miss you. Stay safe. Don't forget to write. See you soon. I hope each of these carries emotion. They show love, friendship, and hope that you'll meet again. 7. Goodbyes in the digital world. We say goodbye online just as often as in person in chats, texts, or emails. Here are natural ways to do it. Talk soon. Take care. Bye for now. See you online. And for formal emails, best regards. Kind regards. Sincerely, even in writing. English keeps goodbyes short, polite, and clear. 8. Final thought. Goodbyes might sound simple, but they're emotional moments. They carry kindness, gratitude, and sometimes love. In English, you can say bye in hundreds of ways, and each one leaves a slightly different feeling behind. So next time you say goodbye, don't rush. Add something small. Take care. See you soon. Have a lovely day. Those extra words can turn an ending into a moment of warmth, because in English, saying goodbye isn't just the end of a conversation, it's a promise that you'll meet again. Goodbyes are small moments, but they say a lot about us. The way you say goodbye in English can make you sound polite, confident, kind, or even cold and distant. That's why it's important to choose the right words for the right situation. In this part, we'll talk about the feeling behind a goodbye and how to sound natural whether you're leaving a friend, a meeting, or a short chat online. 1. The feeling behind goodbye. When you say bye, you're not just ending a talk, you're leaving a final emotion. It can be warm, soft, funny, or respectful. Think of it like closing a door gently instead of slamming it shut. So when you say bye, have a great evening, Your voice adds sunshine to the words. When you say goodbye in a flat tone, it might sound serious or distant. That's why English speakers often add something more. Tone matters as much as vocabulary. 2. Goodbye vs. Bye. You might think they mean the same thing, and they do, but the tone is different. Goodbye is more formal. You might use it in business, interviews, or serious situations. Bye is lighter, everyday, and friendly. Imagine finishing a job interview. Thank you for your time. You're welcome. Goodbye. Now imagine leaving a cafe with your friend. Okay. See you later. Bye. Both are correct, just different moods. 3. How to sound polite when leaving her are a few natural sentences that make your goodbye polite and warm. It was nice talking to you. I really enjoyed our chat. Have a lovely evening. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Even one short line like take care can make the end of a conversation feel complete. 4. Saying goodbye. When you're in a hurry, sometimes you need to leave quickly, but you still want to be polite. Native speakers use quick, kind phrases like, I've got to go, but it was great seeing you. I'll catch up with you later. Sorry. I need to run. Talk soon. Notice that even when they're in a hurry, they still add warmth. It's a little English habit, kindness before ending the talk. 5. Friendly ways to say goodbye. English has a whole world of casual, cheerful goodbyes that make you sound like a native speaker. You can say, see you, see ya, later, catch you later, talk soon. They all mean goodbye, but they feel softer, friendlier, and faster. Example. Okay. I'll text you later. Cool. See ya. That's how friends and co-workers talk every day. 6. Ending messages or email. 7. In writing. How you end a message shows your tone. If it's formal, like writing to a teacher or a colleague, say, best regards, kind regards, sincerely. If it's casual, like writing to a friend, say, take care, talk soon, bye for now. Even online, these small endings make your English sound thoughtful and polite. 7. Emotional goodbye. Some etymologies. Goodbye carries emotion when someone is moving away, changing jobs, or saying farewell after a special time. These goodbyes sound different. I'll really miss you. Please stay in touch. Thank you for everything. You've been amazing. Don't forget me. Here. Tone is everything. Soft, slow, kind. You don't rush emotional goodbyes, you let the words breathe. 8. Practice out loud. Let's practice together. Say each one slowly, smiling. Bye. Take care. See you soon. Talk to you later. Goodbye. It was nice meeting you. I'll miss you. Now try them faster. Naturally, like real conversation. Feel how your tone changes the meaning. 9. A quick story. One of my students once said goodbye to his American teacher every day after class, politely, perfectly. But one day she laughed and said, you sound so serious. Try just see you. He did, and the next moment, both smiled. That tiny change made his English sound alive. So remember, sometimes the best English is not perfect, it's natural. 10. Final thought. Goodbyes in English can be short, long, funny, polite, or full of emotion. But no matter how you say them, what matters is how you make people feel. A small phrase like see you soon can mean I care. A simple take care can mean you're important. So next time you say goodbye, add a little warmth and let your English say not just bye, but I'll see you again. We often think goodbye is the end of something, but in English, it's really the beginning of kindness. The last thing you say stays in the other person's mind, so it's worth saying it with warmth. 1. The small extras that make a goodbye special. Instead of saying only bye, try adding a few soft words. Bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. Have a good night. These little details make your goodbye feel friendly and real. When you leave work, you can say, see you tomorrow, everyone. When you finish class, bye. Have a nice day. It's short, natural, and polite. 2. When you're talking to friends use relaxed goodbyes, quick and full of energy. Later. See ya. Talk soon. Sometimes people even add humor. Catch you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. These lines sound playful and cheerful. They show comfort and closeness. 3. When you want to sound polite, if you're talking to a teacher, coworker, or client, keep your tone calm and respectful. Goodbye. It was nice talking to you. Take care. Have a great evening. I'll speak to you soon. Even one kind phrase can make you sound thoughtful and professional. 4. Saying goodbye online in chats or emails. English goodbyes are short and friendly. Formal messages often end with best regards, kind regards, sincerely. Casual texts or DMs might end with take care, talk soon, bye for now. Even through a screen, the same rule applies, end with warmth. 5. Emotional goodbyes. When it's not just the end of a day but the end of a chapter, say it slowly and sincerely. I'll miss you. Stay safe. Thank you for everything. Let's stay in touch. It's simple, but when your voice carries emotion, the words become powerful. 6. Practice time. Say these lines out loud with a smile. Bye. Take care. See you soon. Goodbye. It was nice seeing you. Talk soon. Now say them again, but imagine the right situation at work, with a friend, or online. Feel the difference in tone. 7. A gentle reminder. Every goodbye is a small reflection of who you are. A kind word, a friendly tone, even a short "see you" can brighten someone's day, because in English, goodbye doesn't really mean the end. It means until next time. When you leave someone, your last words matter. They're like the final note of a song, soft, warm, and memorable. In English, a goodbye isn't just the end. It's a promise that you'll meet again. 1. Different moods, different goodbyes. Every goodbye has its own feeling. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes emotional, sometimes funny. When you're busy, it's short. Okay, gotta go. Talk soon. When you're leaving someone special, it's slower. Take care, okay? I'll miss you. When you're relaxed with friends, see ya later. And when you're being polite, goodbye. It was lovely speaking with you. The words change, but the warmth stays the same. 2. The tone of goodbye. How you say it changes everything. Say bye quickly, and it sounds casual. Say goodbye slowly, and it sounds serious. Say see you soon with energy, and it sounds joyful. Your tone tells the listener how you feel, so use your voice to share a little kindness. 3. Saying goodbye to groups. If you're leaving a room full of people, you can say, bye everyone, see you all soon, have a great evening. Guys, at work, it might sound like this: good night everyone, see you tomorrow. Small phrases like these create connection and leave a positive impression. 4. Saying goodbye in messages. Even online, a soft ending matters. You can write, take care, see you soon, talk later, bye for now, or even something sweet like, hope you have a great day. It's simple, but it feels human. 5. Emotional or last goodbye. Semetimedes. Goodbye really means goodbye for a long time. Those words carry emotion. You can say, thank you for everything. I'll never forget you. You've been amazing. Stay safe, okay? In these moments, speak slowly. Let the silence between words carry your feeling. That's the beauty of human connection. Sometimes it's not just words that say goodbye, but your heart. 6. Quick practice. Let's repeat together. Bye. Take care. See you soon. Talk to you later. Goodbye. It was nice meeting you. Now say them with different emotions. Cheerful, calm, sad, polite. Feel how the tone changes everything. 7. Final reflection. English goodbyes are small but powerful. They carry politeness, care, and warmth. You don't need long sentences, just the right tone and a kind smile. So next time you say goodbye, don't rush. Choose your words like a gift, because every see you soon means I'm glad we met, and every take care means I wish you well. Goodbyes are not endings, they're little bridges to the next hello.